What's up, y'all? Jason back at it, doing the speed running today with the Traxxas XRT on 8S, on an 8S parallel. Got the Gone Bananas on that thing, got the WFO RC Racing wide kit on that thing, you know, metal 7075 A-arms, titanium axles, got the Castle XLX2 ESC in there, and also the Castle 2028 1700 kV motor. Personal best with this vehicle on 8S, 116 miles an hour. Gonna hit a track, start, push, stop, ready, 1 mile an hour, track, give it a push, hit the speed registering, hit start. Let's see how this goes. I geared up some, so should be able to beat 117. Side wind, so I gotta be careful. Yeah, that side wind coming in pretty good. See, it's pointing that way. So let that calm down for a second. All right, let's go. That thing was pulling, man. That side wind was vicious with it. That was very vicious side wind, man. It was, I don't know, man. Pushing to the, what side was that? If I'm going facing this way, he's pushing to the right. He's fighting. Let's see what we got. She sounded pretty good. I'm also running this this spur gear adapter on here, so I got an 8mm spur gear on here. Seems like it's running good. Gear sounds smooth. Let's see what that was. She was definitely cooking, I'll tell you all that. Let's just see what we got on that. Stop, ready. 117 miles an hour. Hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. So we'll run that back. Yeah, we'll run that back. Really, really bad run, man, because I'm telling you, the wind was blowing hard. So let's just try it again. Alright? If not, then it is what it is. Speed's registering. Last one was 117. Let's go. Yeah, that was a pretty bad start. Wasted a lot of power, so let's see what we can get. She's just all over the road. She all over the road today. ESC fans also know she's warm. Let's see what we got on that. Stop, red, 118. Got 118. All right, y'all. We'll check back with y'all later on, okay? All right, y'all. Peace.